In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Flash Fill to populate first and last name in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and get your worksheet ready. This method is especially useful when you have a column of full names and you want to quickly split them into separate first name and last name columns without building formulas. Flash Fill is a built-in Excel feature that can recognize patterns in your data and complete the rest for you automatically. To follow along, set up a simple table with 3 columns: full name, first name, and last name. In the full name column, enter a few sample names in cells A2 through A5. For example, you can type John Smith, Sarah Johnson, Michael Brown, and Emily Davis. The idea here is to give Excel a clean list of full names that all follow the same format, with a first name followed by a last name. Next, move to the first name column. In cell B2, manually type the first name from the first full name entry. In this case, type John. This first example is important because it shows Excel the pattern you want it to follow. After that, click into cell B3 and press Ctrl + E on your keyboard. This activates Flash Fill. Excel should recognize that you want to extract the first name from each full name and automatically fill the remaining cells in that column with Sarah, Michael, and Emily. Now repeat the same process for last names. In cell C2, manually type Smith, which matches the last name from the first full name. Then select cell C3 and press Ctrl + E again. Excel will detect the pattern and fill in the remaining last names, such as Johnson, Brown, and Davis. Once that's done, your table should now show each full name neatly separated into first and last names. For example, John Smith will appear as John in the first name column and Smith in the last name column, and the same pattern will apply to the other rows. One helpful thing to remember is that Flash Fill works best when your data is consistent. If all entries follow the same naming pattern, Excel is much more likely to fill the results correctly. If the keyboard shortcut doesn't feel convenient, you can also find Flash Fill from the Data tab in Excel by selecting Data and then Flash Fill. That's all it takes to quickly separate first and last names in Excel using Flash Fill. It's fast, simple, and a great way to save time when working with name lists.